Guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can reset the oil service indicator of an Ford Kuga. This one is an old one. I have another video of a new model. This is slightly different, so that's why this video. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. Have a look at the channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars. Some tips and tricks about cars. Use the comment area if you have any questions and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, when we turn the ignition on, there is an indicator popping up over here. Oil surface needs to be changed, surface oil. First step is to turn or press the ignition off. Then press the accelerator and the brake pedal. Accelerator, brake pedal, keep them pressed all the way. Press the ignition button slightly once that the ignition is turned on, and then wait for about 15 seconds, and then you'll see that the service indicator over here is gonna get reset. 15 seconds, wait for the indicator to pop up. Surface oil reset complete. Yes, do the check by the ignition off, turn back on the ignition, and you'll see that the indicator for this oil surface won't pop up anymore. Yes. Start the car to check. Yes, the oil indicator is now gone. This is another indicator, power steering malfunction, but the service indicator is gone. That was it for this video. I want to thank you for watching our videos, and I hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.